Hello, we're doing long division. We're going to do 679 divided by 3. And I'm sorry I have paint on my hands because I was just working on a painting, but let's ignore that and we're going to go ahead and get started. So for long division, we're choosing the standard algorithm, which has 4 steps: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. And I remember it as, does McDonald's sell burgers? So we're doing 679, we're dividing it by 3. This is our dividend. This is the amount of items we have, and this is the amount of groups we're putting it into. The first step is divide. Since we're dividing by 3, I always skip count my 3's first because then I can see how many 3's fit in to different numbers. So that saves me a lot of time later just to have it there. So first step is to do 6 divided by 3. How many 3's fit into 6? 2. You can do it 2 times. So we put a 2 up here. Next step is to multiply the last thing I wrote with that 3. I'm going to do 2 times 3, which is 6. The next step is to subtract. So I'm staying here where I just was, and I'm going to subtract 6 minus 6, which is 0. The next step is to bring down. So we are finished with this 6 now, and we're going to bring the 7, which is our next digit. All right, so now we're ready to divide again. And we're going to use this number here, which is a 7, because that 0 doesn't mean anything. Or the 0 doesn't have any value. So we're going to do 7 divided by 3, or how many 3's can fit into 7. In other words, how many times can you skip count your 3's to get close to 7, but without going over? So again, it's just 2 times. We put that up here. Whenever we divide, we put it up top. So that was 7 divided by 3. Multiply, 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract 7 minus 6. Bring down the 9. We are ready to start over and divide. We're going to use 19. Now we're doing 19 divided by 3. In other words, how many 3's can fit into 19 without going over? That's the point where we go over. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Put the 6 up here, then multiply it right back. 6 times 3 is 18. Then subtract. 19 minus 18 is 1. There's nothing left to bring down. This 1 is too small to split into 3 groups, so it's left over. It is our remainder. 679 divided by 3 is 226, remainder 1. That means if I had 679 items and I put them into 3 groups, I would have 226 in each group, and there'd be 1 left over that couldn't be divided up. So I hope this is helpful for you. Keep watching this playlist if you want to get more practice. Whether you have these worksheets or you're using a piece of paper or whiteboard, you can still follow along and practice your long division.